I also remember a review that was written in, it was a paper called Genesis 2. And there was a review of some concert we did, and the reviewer wrote that it's not just enough to perform Jewish music, you have to do it with excellence. And I think I felt the same way myself, but that really resonated with me. And that's been my mantra ever since. I don't want to just be a choir that does Jewish music. I want to be on the same level as the really good community choirs in Boston. I want to show that there's Jewish choral music just as good. I mean, not only the performance standard, but the repertoire itself. And you know, most choirs, you know, a school choir, they're doing their Christmas concert, and you can't do all Christian music, you have to do some Jewish music. But I don't know any Jewish music. Well, find some. Oh, well, this publisher sent me this piece. It's a pretty stupid Dreydl piece. I think it's really terrible, but I'll do it anyway because I have to do it. That's the worst thing you can possibly do, because then the Jewish kids are even more ashamed of their own heritage, because you get all this wonderful Christmas music and then there's this stupid Dreydl piece. So one of the things that I do in my career is I write articles, I publish music, I put stuff on YouTube, I do workshops for my colleagues, for my non-Jewish colleagues who are looking for, or don't know yet that they're looking for, good Jewish choral repertoire to do with their groups. And I've seen the results at choral directors' conventions when some of the honors choirs are doing music that I had introduced. And that's very gratifying for me to feel that, because it's one thing to sing Jewish music for Jewish audiences, but a big part of what I do is to take it beyond the imaginary ghetto walls and make sure that this becomes mainstreamed.